My childhood was difficult because of the violence and the revolts that erupted in the streets of Nigeria in the late 1960s. The 30-month-long Nigeria Biafra War forced my family to flee and live in refugee camps in Nigeria and Biafra. Due to the Nigeria Biafra War, I could only attend school for 1.5 years between the ages of 12 and 19. The reason was in part because during the Nigeria Biafra War, all the schools in Biafra were closed and used as military barracks and refugee camps. All inventors must go to school to acquire the knowledge they must have in order to contribute their new knowledge or inventions to existing knowledge. A refugee child that could not go to school cannot grow up to become the inventor of a never-before-seen supercomputer. On my 14th birthday date, August 23, 1968, my family of 9 refugees were living and sleeping in a very tiny classroom of a closed school that was formerly named St. Joseph's Secondary School, Awka-Etiti, Biafra. In the late 1960s, St. Joseph's Secondary School became an overcrowded refugee camp. For 3 war years, the former students of St. Joseph's Secondary School were forced to quit school and forced to give up their classrooms to 1,000 refugees that fled from Asaba and Onitsha, including my family of 9 refugees. The former teachers of St. Joseph's Secondary School were forced to join the Biafran army. Some of those Biafran teachers died fighting at the Onitsha war front.